Hi guys, as I have opened this YouTube channel, I'll be teaching mathematics and as well as English. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Prince Teresa, where you can learn and benefit. And if you want to pass with distinction maths, please, this is a home place for you. And I want to share you on the on one topic on sequences and series. This is our first topic, derived from grade 11, sequences and series. And series. A sequence can be defined in simpler terms as an ordered set of numbers where a pattern exists. A sequence is a set of ordered numbers where a pattern exists. A sequence simply means the ordered set of numbers where a pattern can exist. For example, if I'm having the set of ordered numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, this group of ordered numbers is a sequence, for it is forming a pattern of having an addition of 2 to the previous number. So it is a sequence. Okay. A series it simply means a manner in which the pattern is formed. A manner in which a pattern is formed. Under sequence and series, we have got two types of sequences. We have one what we call arithmetic progression, and two what we call geometric progression. Okay, in this video I'm going to teach on arithmetic progression. We're going to deal with arithmetic progression. Though it's a very wide topic, so be doing part in part. Just to be focused on subscribing to my YouTube channel, and don't miss, ring the bell so that you can be notified each time I am live. Okay, so the first part of arithmetic progression, let us just define what arithmetic progression is. Arithmetic progression simply means a series, okay, a sequence in which each term is formed by adding a constant amount to the previous term. It is a sequence which is formed by adding a constant amount to the previous term. The number does not change. If we had 2, we add again a 2, we add 4. If we have 4, we add again another 2, we have 6. If we have 6, we add another 2, we have 8. So we are forming a set of these grouped numbers, forming a sequence. Then the series that we are following is the addition of 2. This 2 is not changing. This 2 is not changing. So arithmetic progression is formed by adding a constant amount. It can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, so long as it is not changing. That kind of sequence is arithmetic progression. The number which is in between, the constant number that we are adding, we call it a common difference. Common difference. This is the constant amount, constant number that we are adding to the previous number. Then the number in an arithmetic progression, any number is called a term. So if we're having the first number here, it is T1. Second number, it is T2. Third number, it is T3. And fourth number, it is 2, 4. It is going like that, blah, blah, blah. Then the first number, we call it the first term. Okay? The first number is called the first term, having the abbreviation of the letter A standing for the first term. Then a common difference, it has the letter of D, the number which we are adding to the previous number. The constant number we add, it has the abbreviation of T, denoted by the letter D as common difference. So let us now go on the nth term of an AP. The nth term of an AP. AP is just an abbreviation of arithmetic progression. Then nth term is simply means we are just talking about the formula that we can come up to find any term in the sequence of arithmetic progression. So the formula for nth term is simply Tn equals A plus, open bracket, N minus 1, close bracket, D. Where A is the first term, here, A is the first term for the given sequence. Then N is the number of terms in the sequence. N is the number of the asked term in the sequence. And D is the common difference. D is the common difference. Okay, we go. Let us look at the example. That's where you are going to get the full understanding. Let us look at the example. For example, you have given, find the next 37. The question is like, find the next 37th term in the sequence below. In the sequence below. Having 16, 7, -2. So get the keywords. What you are taught to find is 37th term, the number which is on 37th position here, and understand the sequence to say it is a set of terms that makes up the ordered set. And this is the sequence we are having in this term, which is forming a pattern. For you to find a 37th term, you need to consider this pattern. We are having first number, which is T1, second term, which is T2, third term, which is T3. Now we are told the number which is on 37th. You can't predict this, and it is tiresome to start adding number that you consider to be the difference until you reach 37. So the possible way is for you to come up with the formula of AP. Tn equals n plus n minus 1. Cross bracket D, like that. Then your Tn is the position of the term that you are told to find. In this case, our n is 37. A, I said it is standing for the first term, the first number which is in the sequence. In this case, it is 16. Plus, you open the bracket, your n again, you get that 37 that you are told to find, minus 1. D, in this case, you come aside here, the formula for finding a common difference, which is D. Common difference, D. It is T2 minus T1. Next term minus previous term. If we consider our silly here, we are having 7 and 16. Or you can say T3 minus T2. So in this case, let's say I'll get T2, I'll get -2, or you get 7 minus 16. 7 minus 16, this will give us -9. So your -9 will come now there. Then you say T37 equals 16 plus 37 minus 1 is 36. Minus 9. Okay? You go like that. You're going to say 16 plus, open bracket, 36 times -9 will give you -324. Then you say 16 positive times negative to give you a -324. Now 16 minus 324, it is -308. And hence you have found your T37, the number which is on the 37th position. Hope you guys have enjoyed. We started by introducing these top sequences and series. We looked at what a sequence is as a set of numbers that forms a certain pattern. Then we say a series is just the method we are using to form the next number. Then I said under sequences and series, we have two types of sequences. We have what we call arithmetic progression, which is formed by adding a constant amount to the previous term. And now we came up by introducing it using the nth term, the formula that you can use in order to solve this problem. Hope you guys you have enjoyed. Go and check in papers for this question, and you are going to be blessed. Stay tuned, stay connected, subscribe to my YouTube channel as we have started this journey, and in the end, you are going to benefit. Shalom, shalom.